Hello my beautiful friends, I am back at Dollar Tree, so let's jump right to it and get started. The first thing I'm seeing are these cute little wine bags, which is not bad. This is actually a really good deal for $1.25. They are burlap. Oh, look at these. No peeking until Christmas. The cute little drawstring bags, and actually get two. That's not a bad deal. And then those say wishing you peace, joy in this holiday season. Very nice. And one thing I will say is I absolutely love their Christmas bags. They are such a steal. For $1.25, I mean, look, you're getting this giant bag for $1.25. That would run you at least $10 elsewhere. And look at the designs. These are so nice. I'm like, I want to get bags, but I don't really have bought any gifts yet, so I don't really know which ones I need. But even if you use them for decor, like just fill them, you put like some paper in there and put them under the tree just for placeholders. I think that would actually be a nice way to kind of spruce up the little tree. So let's look around and see what's new. Also, I will make a separate video for the winner of the giveaway, so I can show you guys, you know, in more detail what the items included. So I don't know if the video will be up now or after, but I'll definitely link it down in this. Something's going on. I'll bring you guys right back. All right, guys, so they also have these. It seems like there's only one cashier and people are getting mad. That's what was the commotion. So as I said, I will do a separate video for the winner of the giveaway. And look at these, are the most wonderful time of the year. I love this one. Very kind of a candy cane style. I like these as well. Merry Christmas, home for the holidays. And this one looks new. Merry Christmas. I like that. And then they have these snowy ones, which, oh, look at the little pom-pom. Cute little detail. Gnomes for the holidays. And let's see. Welcome gnome. Gnome for the holidays. These are cute. Yeah, these are really nice. And I think I've seen this one already. And definitely seen that one. This red one. Yeah, let's see if there's anything else behind it. Oh, hot cocoa bar. That's cute. All right, let's see what other items we can find today here at Dollar Tree. Oh, and look, they have tons of cute little socks. How adorable are these? Oh, and look at the cool Santa. That's cute. Oh my God, look at this one. This is the party animal Santa. And they have sharks, because you know sharks love Christmas too. Abdominal, the snowman. No, what's that guy's name? Bigfoot? Oh, these are cute. Oh my God, these are so cute. Okay, I have to get these. Hopefully they fit my giant foot. And then look, yeah, these are also, I'm gonna get both of these. Look how nice these are. Very classic vibes for sure. Let me just hang that there for a second to look to see what other ones they have. And let's see, a little red one, and they have this one with the little bikes. Oh, and these are crew socks. Oh, these are baby ones. Yeah, these are cute though. Oh my God, a little, oh, but these are for like little girls. Yeah, these are little ones. But I'm definitely gonna get these two for sure. Oh, and look at these little drawstring bags, merry and bright. Now there's a little tree, and then they have snowflakes. Let's see if there's any other ones. Yeah, these all say the same. And then fabric bags as well. These are the 3-piece. Oh, that's nice. And then look at these little notepads for the doggies. Ooh, the little gnomies. That's new. I haven't seen those. Oh, of course, you gotta have the little kitty. Oh, reminds you of little Maggie. Well, not quite, but you know, she's got the similar look. All right, let's keep looking and see what the goodies we find today here at Dollar Tree. All right, more socks. Let's see if they have. Oh, yes, look, they have the little gingerbread house. That's cute. Damn, they have the gingerbread again, but the baby ones. But I'll definitely get one of these. Can't have too many Christmas socks. All right, let's see what other goodies they have today. Hopefully they have some new stuff, because I'm getting tired of seeing the old Christmas stuff. Come on. Totally kidding. But yeah, all right, let's keep looking over there. All right, so I am also looking at decals for the windows. As you probably watched in my my Target dollar spot video, I'm actually helping my friend decorate for Christmas their fireplace and living room area. So I do need something for the windows. I think this is actually perfect. Trying to see if there's any other ones. Oh, that's cute. But I think I'm going to stick with these. I'm going to do this one and then probably one of these as well, just to kind of mix it up for the kiddos. I'll put these back. Let's see. Oh, these are also new. I haven't seen these. It says ho ho ho. And then these finally came to my area. I haven't seen these at all yet. These are really nice. They're $1.25 and not a bad deal. And look at these. It's a Wonderful Life. And I can't really... It's the most wonderful time of the year. If you guys can see right there. Yeah, it's hard to... I wish they would just separate them, but... All right, well, let's keep looking. Oh, and look at these. These are nice as well. The little farm, Be Merry and Bright. These are nice. That's so cute. And look, finally, they came here as well. And this is actually going to be included in the giveaway. Or it's included, rather. All right, let's keep looking. Can't believe it. You guys were just literally just days away from Thanksgiving, which is wild. Let's see if they have any new ones. No, these are the ones we've already seen. All right. Let's keep looking. Oh, these are cute for the kiddos. Little snowman with the red truck, and then they have this one with Santa. And these are cuties. Look at these little lunch pails. That's adorable. They also have this gingerbread one and the Santa. How adorable are these? $1.25. You can actually even use them to like put like little pins or just in little momentums and save them for like a storage bin, or use them for storage bins. Would actually be a really good idea for $1.25. I like that one the most. Okay, look at these. Happy holidays with the Nomies. And then they have these beautiful mugs, which I know they're supposed to be a whole set. But it looks like everything's scattered. Yeah, it looks like some are over here. Mr. and Mrs. Claus. That's cute. Yeah, and then the bowls, so I'm sure the plates are hitting somewhere in the shelf. Oh, how exciting! They refilled it, or not refilled, they restocked this section. These went so quick, especially the little campers. And if you guys have been watching all my videos, you know that these items are part of the giveaway. So the winner will be announced in a separate video, as I mentioned before. I don't know if that video will be posted before or after this one, but either way, I will link that video down in the comment section so you guys can see who the winner was. And I am so tempted. I've been seeing these so many times that I'm like really tempted to buy some. These are actually really nice. You get oh, actually you don't get one for a second. You got two. But yeah, I'm really tempted to get those. And they still have tons of these, which I know a lot of people are going crazy for, looking for them. Oh, Express Your Elf. These are new. I haven't seen these. These are nice. These, excuse me, remind me of the ones from Target. I actually just posted a brand new Target video yesterday, if you guys want to check that out, as well as a 99-cent store video. So I actually did a double feature. Just excuse me, just because I had a little bit of extra time. But yeah, these are so cute. I'm debating, I'm like, should I get more? Swap them out in the middle of Christmas. I'll think about it. But these are definitely new, so I haven't seen these. So I hope you guys find these at your local store. They seem to have Christmas all over the store. This is in the back of the store. Have these little cute ornaments. And oh, these are cute, the little disco balls. They also have them in red. And then they have this little garland. And look at the cute little trees. They have the white ones. I know that in the past years, they've really sold out really quickly. So I'm surprised they haven't done so this year. All right, let's look over here. Cute little bells. Nothing too exciting there. Let's see if there's anything else here. Little plushies. Those are cute. And then they have these signs. It says Merry Christmas. All right, let's see if they have anything good over here. Something caught my eye. Ooh, these are nice. Oh, and they're glass. I thought they were going to be plastic for some reason. And look at these. These are fall items. Oh, but these are also new. Those are cute. Very nice. Oh, nice. This is the Floral Gardens little dome. Very nice. You can do some really nice crafts with those. All right, let's keep exploring and see what other items we can find. All right, let's look. They have these here as well, the little crafting bags. And I think we've seen these, these are little foam angels, little trees, little gnomies. Yeah, these are just an extension of the crafting section. And they literally have Christmas everywhere, the entire store. So it's kind of like a hidden treasure. So I know with the holidays coming up, this is a good time to be buying these. These are the removable hooks to put up your wreaths and your decor and such. And $1.25 is not a bad deal. When they have these even smaller ones, if you are like, doing multiple things. And they also do have suction cups if you want to kind of put things on your mirrors, so that way you don't have to actually stick it on the wall. And I've never seen their this little DIY section. I don't know what they're called DIY. Their painting section. So organized. I don't know if they just cleaned it or they just stocked it, but I've never seen it this clean before. So, oh, and a lot of people use these for crafting too, as they're kind of gluing things together. All right, let's keep looking and see if there's anything else worth sharing here. Let's see. What are these? Oh, fragrance oils. Ooh. Very nice. All right, I'm not seeing too much here, so let's keep exploring with the rest of the store. Ooh, look what finally made it to my store. The little glitter bottles, the craft glitter pots, and then they also have these little ones. I know a lot of people have been looking for these, so they're finally here in the Bay Area. If you are in my area, definitely check them out. And I just spotted even more. They have the green one, and then this copper one, and this little blue one as well. So here's all the different colors. You can see them all together. There we go. How exciting. Oh, I look at these. I haven't seen these before. The little cow. And they have these, which I know we've seen before, the stars. And then these are also new, the little soccer ball. And then they have the baseball and the basketball and the football. How cool is that? Definitely new here in the crafting section. Crafter Square. Oh, somebody painted that. How funny. Somebody's got jokes. All right, let's keep exploring. How exciting. Oh my God, look, you guys, I almost missed these little candy swirls, flavored lip balms. They have the little red one, candy cane swirl, and also this one, mint hot chocolate. How cute is that little Disney? That is adorable for $1.25. Look at these. If you are a Star Trek fan, they have these here for $1.25. How awesome is that? Yeah, they have 4 kinds. Very cool for $1.25. You could even get them for your hubby or your boyfriend or yourself, but definitely could actually make for a nice little Christmas gift, as a little stocking stuffer. How great is that for $1.25? Hope you guys find them at your local store. Oh, look who's back. Arthur, little plushies. I don't think that's part of Arthur. And then they have tons of these. I know a lot of people are huge fans of these. They are fully stocked. Yeah, how cute is that? Very nice for $1.25. Oh, these are cute. If your kids like Peppa Pig, they have these Daddy Pig, Peppa Pig, George Pig. And they also have Coco and Frozen. Oh, no, that's Brave. That was Frozen. Yeah, they have different characters. Wally, and then Monsters, Inc. Looking nice. These actually make for nice little cute cake decor pieces. And also, if your kids like are into race cars, they have tons of them here. They look like they just stocked everything. Everything looks fully stocked. Oh, this one's cool, a little pink one. But they have tons of different ones. So if your kids are into these, definitely grab them because they're $1.25, which is not a bad deal. All right, let's keep looking and see what the goodies we can find. Oh, how exciting to have this Vasta shear sheet slicer to make little, I guess, vegetarian pasta or keto, vegan, and vegetarian friendly. This is cool for $1.25. This could actually make for a nice little gift. Yeah, for somebody who doesn't want to use like regular pasta, great little gadget for $1.25.